who pays in precious stones at this point, unless you're doing something nefarious? It is hard to see how this isn't compromised, and I think that's what the new Congress needs to focus on, figuring out what that paper trail is, and where the president is actually vulnerable.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate both of you, Victoria Coates and Lieutenant Colonel Jim Carafano. Thank you for being with us. This is going to be interesting how this unfolds. They're trying to downplay this, and all of you need to understand here what they're doing. And they're downplaying this as best they can. And, you know, the Pentagon spokesman, the Chinese spy balloon doesn't present a military or physical threat. Really? I'm not sure I believe that either. This is a threat long term. If they're gathering intelligence on our military installations, that would be a threat.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
Dancing crew, trip for two, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. New COVID-19 boosters designed for recent Omicron variants are now available. Learn about eligibility and schedule a free updated booster today at vaccines.gov. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
A car shopping experience? An out-of-body experience. With 50,000 cars added daily and unbelievably smart matchmaking. The new Cars.com. It's magic.
President's Day radio sale going on now. This week only, beat the crowds and get early access to the best President's Day deals, including 10% off trending styles throughout the store and online. And with special financing options available for all budgets, refreshing your home has never been easier. Hurry into your local Ashley store or tap the banner to shop and save today. Only at America's #1 furniture and mattress store, Ashley. See store or ashley.com for details.
Radio app is #1 for music, radio, and podcasts all in one. Discover a new podcast from our library of hundreds of thousands of titles. Here's an iHeartRadio podcast preview.
This is Blind Spot. To 9/11, I'm Jim O'Grady.
The magnitude and the significance of this threat was communicated over and over again.
We'll follow the investigators, the bureaucrats and beat cops who chase disturbing clues about kind of enemy.
I don't want to use the word panic, but the sudden chilling feeling a devastating plot might well be underway.
Let's penetrate his cell and find out what's really going on.
I have lived with Osama bin Laden for more than very close to him.
If you wanted him dead, he would have been dead 2 years ago for 50 cents in one round of ammunition.
I was so very angry, and I promised him revenge.
This is also a story about small moments when flawed human beings made decisions under terrible pressure with partial information.
Look, it's always easy in hindsight to say it's a big mistake.
Of course we couldn't connect the dots. There were so many dots. The whole page was black.
It's about a disaster that some saw coming but didn't respond to until too late.
I said, I told you these bastards are coming back.
Blind Spot, the road to 9/11.
Listen and follow this podcast on the iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio.